Today we're going to focus on copying formats using the Format Painter. When we make changes like we did in the previous lesson, and we are satisfied with the formatting of the certain text that we've chosen, we can quickly apply the same format to other text using the Format Painter. So let's go ahead and put that into practice. First, let's locate the phrase, immediate booking is essential. This phrase is actually located right here. For me, it's in the second line in the first paragraph. Once we've located that, let's highlight that. And what we're going to do here is we're going to bold that phrase. Not only have we bolded, but let's go ahead and italicize that one as well. Next, we're going to select the second line in our title, Last Minute Travel Deals here. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to click on the launcher on our font ribbon here. And we're going to make a couple of changes using this font dialog box. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually change the font size again. We're going to scroll down until we see size 48. Next, we're going to focus our attention on the color. So we're going to click on that drop-down menu. And this time around, we're going to choose green. So it's the very last one, olive green. That's the one that we're going to choose. And from here, we're going to turn our attention toward the Text Effects button. Once we click, we have a whole new set of options that become available for us. The one that we're going to be focusing in on is the shadow option. We're going to click on the preset, and then just underneath, we're going to select the offset diagonal bottom right option. Once we've done that, it would automatically close that screen. We can go ahead and click on close, and from here we can click on OK. Now we're going to deselect that title, and we're going to go on to our next couple of changes that we're going to make. We're going to once again locate a brand new subheading. So from here, we're going to locate the other subheading, Camel Safari, which is actually the fourth paragraph down. Once we've located that heading, we're going to highlight it, and we're going to click on the font drop-down arrow once more. And we're going to choose the font that we recently used before. And from here, we're going to also bold it and italicize. Once we have completed that, we're going to click on the drop-down menu for our color. And we're going to also select the olive green option. And that is it. We're going to deselect the title, and now we're going to highlight it one more time. Now that I have it highlighted, we're going to actually select the Format Painter, which is that nice little paintbrush there that's in our clipboard ribbon. Now that we have done that, let's scroll down to the other subheading just underneath it. And from here, we're going to select that header, and there we go. The subheading has now been formatted the exact same way as our previous header was. So now we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to select the subheading that refers to the Desert Safari. And instead of single clicking, we're going to double click on the Format Painter. What we have just done was turn on that feature, basically meaning that any words or phrases that we highlight and select would be formatted in the exact same way. That would be until we turn off the feature. But let's put this into practice. So let's scroll down to the other remaining subheaders. The Everest Base Camp. Let's highlight that one. And there you have it. It's been formatted. Let's scroll down to the other one, which is cycling. Highlight it, and there you have it. And last but not least, let's look at that last subheading and do the exact same. And that brings us to the close of today's lesson, copying formats using the Format Painter. Congratulations!